We had a couple wasps in there. Oh no, oh no, oh no! How you doing?
Good, how are you?
That too? We're gonna have to get it from the side. Get over there, we get the small stuff. And stop on the traffic because...
Yeah, be careful, there's 2 wasps came out of the fridge. There's a wasp nest in
I
there.
don't know, there's 3? That's scary.
One right there. They're just in there.
Oh no! Oh no, oh no! We got him out, that's the main thing. Going back your way. Stay right hand side. That's everything, right? All right, sir.
It's a 150, okay?
That's a 10 extra. I appreciate your business, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you take care.